Our company was founded in 2018 and based in Sofia, Bulgaria. We specialize in development, manufacturing and sales of advanced metrological solutions for manufacturing. LASERTOP project, which stands for Adaptive Laser Beam Tracking for Optimized Welding Process Control, aims to solve one important problem in the welding industry. More precisely, the adjustments of the welding parameters for a specific welding workpiece, where a wide range of possibilities are available, and it's a matter of very good skills and quite good education of the engineers to be capable to provide the proper values for these parameters. So LASERTOP project is intending to simplify and help this process by providing suggestions for these parameters based on a scan of workpiece. The innovation of LASERTOP lies in the hybrid approach between fuzzy logic and neural network. Usually, such kind of systems are based on only on neural networks or on fuzzy logic, and we decided to combine both to obtain this way fast prediction in the initial phase of the project, to pre-train the neural network, and then to have the option to continuously improve the behavior of the system.
Our company founded in 2008 and based in Budapest, Hungary. Our main profile is tailor-made IT solutions. We have around 100 people and developers, business analysts, UX and UI designers. Our project LASERTOP is pathologic and neural network technology, dynamically predict and fine-tune welding parameters in real time. The neural network continues to learn from historical data and operator feedback, refining these predictions and ensuring the system improves over time. We are thankful for the support and resources provided by Mind4Machines project.
BRAIKO is a manufacturer of steel brackets for the construction industries. And when you do welding with robots, which we do, you face two main challenges. The first one is to create the path. So how you move the tool, the welding tool around, and and the second challenge is what parameters you adjust so that the weld is of good quality. Michiel offered to create a system, let's say a software system, which can create the correct path. So you provide the system with the geometry of the detail, and the system calculates the perfect path for the tool, for the torch, and B adjusts itself automatically. So it changes the parameters like power and current and angle, and there's several, gas, speed, and several parameters that need to be adjusted.